All right, so today I have a little washi tape haul for you all from the washi tape shop. Their tape is pretty much the only washi tape that I ever use, and of course I do have a discount code linked down in the description as usual. So today I have a little haul of some of their new tapes, so I'm going to unbox them and then try some of them out here in this journal. So yeah, I hope you guys will consider checking out my code down in the description if you want to purchase some washi tape for yourself, and comment below, let me know which ones are your favorites. All right, so I haven't opened any of these yet, so I'm going to do that on camera. One thing that I love about the washi tape shop, and this is just a little hack if you didn't realize this already, is their tapes come with like a really cute sticker closing the end. One end just has like a plain washi tape shop sticker, but the other end has a sticker that matches that roll or that set of tape. So I often will keep these stickers. I'll just like tape them onto the side of my desk, honestly, and then use them in a journal spread because they're just really beautiful. So most of the tapes in this haul are not like traditional washi tape. I've honestly never heard this word said. I've only seen it on the internet. They're like PET or PET tapes. I don't really know how you're supposed to say it. So it's like clear, and you kind of like the designs almost bump out off of the tape. And so it's just one solid strip. It's not like stickers or anything that you can just pull off, but the idea is that you can just kind of cut apart the pieces that you want and then use them as stickers, because it is tape still, it does peel off. So this is the first roll, and wow, this is stunning. All right, sorry, my son just woke up from his nap, so he's in the Jolly Jumper in the doorway. If you hear it creaking or anything, that's what's up. But yes, here's the first one, and this one is the Fall Flowers wide PET tape. So basically you want to just cut out one of these flowers or whatever, and then you can stick it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, so there we go. I cut it out, and then it is a bit difficult to like get your fingernail under there, like between the sticker and the backing. But once you get it, it's basically just a sticker that you can place on. And these are gorgeous. I will say, I know I'm only one roll in, but so far I love the designs. Like they look so nice. I like that they don't have kind of the washi tape, like, you know, they're totally transparent, not just that semi-transparent washi tape look, but I'm not a huge fan of having to cut them out. We'll see, maybe I'll like that more as I get going with it, but so far it does seem a little more or a little less convenient than just the washi tape stickers that the washi tape shop sells. All right, so I've got a bunch more of these in here. I'm just gonna keep on going, unpacking them, and some of them I'll show on here, some of them I'll just roll out and you can see what the washi tape shop sent. All right, so this one is called Pretty Florals. Again, it's one of the wide PET tapes. Let's see how it looks. Oh boy, I'm butchering this tape that holds it shut. I probably will end up using like rubber bands or just other washi tape to hold these rolls closed. But I would love to hear from you guys. What do you guys use with washi tapes like this that have like a back on it, you know, so it doesn't just stick to itself to stay closed? How do you keep your washi tapes closed? Because I find it's really hit or miss for me. Sometimes I find a system that works well for some rolls and not for others. But with this one, I feel like, I don't know, maybe like a small little elastic band, like a hair elastic. But anyways, this is the Pretty Floral set. I'm not going to cut out one of these, but you can see it's the exact same idea, kind of clusters of flowers, some wreaths, some just like leaves, some just like single flowers like this, and you can cut it out and separate it with your fingernails, or maybe there's a better way. Again, let me know down in the comments if you have a better way of using these or how you like to use these, because I do hope to use these going forward. All right, then we've got the Winter Romance tape, and it looks like this one might be like kind of black and white, just judging by the sticker here. And I'm gonna try to remove this one more carefully than I did the last one, because I would actually use this sticker somewhere. Like, isn't this just a cute little, like, even a gift tag, except for that it's tiny, there's a tiny spot to write in, but I feel like this is so cute to use in your bullet journal. Wow, this is beautiful. I feel like I've never seen any like stickers or anything like this. It's all like kind of deep like blues with some pops of red. I really love this one. I'm gonna cut out maybe this flower over here and see how that looks. All right, so I cut it out. I found the division with my fingernail and I'm just gonna peel off the back and stick it on. And again, I feel like I'm just gonna say the same thing throughout the whole video. I love, love, love the way these look, but they are quite a bit more inconvenient than stickers because, you know, now I have to cut my roll wherever I want it. So now I've got this loose piece and this roll. I'm not just gonna throw out this loose piece, but now I need to find somewhere to store this, or I guess I could try to roll it back onto here. But yeah, I would love to hear kind of your hacks down in the comments. If you do use this PET tape, how do you use it? Like, what's your system? We're gonna move on to a poinsettia one here, which I feel like is probably another kind of holiday looking one. Wow, here's the poinsettia one. Again, absolutely stunning. I feel like I'm gonna use this one and the last one that I just showed you guys. Every year I make a bunch of Christmas cards for my mom to give to her friends. I just like watercolor them, do some calligraphy like Bible verses or Christmas, like, you know, little sayings like joy to the world or whatever, and then she gives them to her friends. So I feel like I'm gonna use these for that kind of thing this year, making Christmas cards, decorating Christmas gifts, and of course in my bullet journal too, because these are beautiful. Yeah. Next we've got sunflower and navy. All right, here is sunflower and navy. I really love this one. This one's gonna be beautiful in fall, I think. Now we've got one called Lovely Garden. So this one's got, again, I feel like so far they all kind of have the same elements. They have like a few different options for like a little wreath around. You can see there's part of one here, there's a second one here. They've also got some like individual leaves and flowers like this, a little border sort of thing. And then they have a few different options for like bigger clusters of flowers. And I like all of these different things. I feel like the big clusters of flowers right now are what is most exciting to me. Now we've got one called Frosty Rose. Okay, I love this one. So far this one and the first one that I unrolled are my favorites. Again, we've got a couple different wreath options, some clusters of flowers, some leaves and individual flowers. This one is stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out, oh, bless you. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out this wreath here and tape that onto my page. All right, now let's move on to the Dusty Blue and Cinnamon tape. This is another one that, judging by the sticker, I feel like I'm gonna like. Lots of these have like the really muted, soft colors, which I love using in my journal and others. So here it is, lots of blue with like some browns and tans and creams. And this is another one that I feel like I definitely will get some use out of. And I just love lots of the solo flowers on this one, like this flower here and this blue one. These little leaves are so delicate. This is definitely another keeper. Next up we have one that's just called Copper. And the design on here is a floral one that I really like, so I'm going to try to salvage this one too to use as a sticker. Wow, I love this one. Such beautiful colors. Let's see, I'm gonna cut one out of here to show you guys. Let's do another wreath. I really like the wreaths in this one. So there we go. And of course with the wreaths, you could cut more precisely. I just kind of cut in the general area since I'm not actually using this page for anything. But you could, especially if you had an X-Acto knife, but even with scissors, you could cut out the center of this one, and you could cut more inside of there to make it easier to like write something inside the wreaths if you wanted to. All right, this is the second last of the like PET rolls. And then after that, I do have the Autumn Bouquet washi tape sticker set. So this one is more the traditional washi tape style that I've been using a lot, but they're stickers. So you'll see what I mean when I get to that one. I am saving that one for last. This one here is the Autumn Rose set. So here's this one. And again, same idea as the other ones, but I love that this one has more than just flowers. It has like the pumpkins in there too. This one's gonna make some really beautiful bullet journal spreads. It's got a frame as one of the wreaths. And yeah, again, just lots of flowers, but this time there's some pumpkins scattered in. And there's such a huge variety. Let me show you how long it goes without repeating. And this is the same for all of the tapes. So this is where it starts repeating, but all of this is unique content. Like all the individual sort of sticker clumps only repeat once we get here. So lots and lots of variety in these rolls. Now the last of these PET tapes is called the Floral Wave. So here we go. We've got some more flowers. I love the colors, especially this little one right here. Honestly, and this one with the light blue butterfly. So beautiful. And there's butterflies sprinkled all throughout this one. So again, just like the pumpkin one kind of had a unique thing going, so does this one with the butterflies here. And like I said with the last one, there's just a lot of different options with this one. And it's been a while since I've actually cut one out and pasted it onto my paper, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with this one. So there we go. And again, if I were going to use this in my journal, I would probably cut more closely around the flowers so that there's not all this extra stuff, especially at the top. And I think it's easier to do that if you have like smaller crafting scissors, which I don't, but it still definitely works with normal scissors like this. So the last thing that I have to open is this Autumn Bouquet washi tape sticker set. And again, this one has a sticker on the end here that I really like and will try to keep. So this set here comes with 3 different rolls, and I love already that they're all 3 different sizes. I've used a lot of washi tape stickers from the washi tape shop, and I really like them because it's a great way to get just like a ton of stickers and an easy way to store them. Instead of having like a bunch of different sticker sheets, you've got one roll that has like just tons of stickers. And yeah, I really like the washi tape stickers. I do, however, like that one came off onto my tape. The PET or PET rolls, they're just so much more vibrant, you know, and they kind of like stand off, like this is almost textured, whereas the washi tape stickers are like washi tape. So they're semi-transparent when you actually use them and put them on. And like, yeah, they can have vibrant colors, but because they're semi-transparent, they don't pop quite as much as something like this. But I do still really like them for ease of use. I'm just gonna grab these little random tweezers that I have. So unlike the PET tape where you have to like cut around, you can just peel off the sticker that you want and paste it right in. And I feel like I love both of them. I'll probably reach for these more often just because they're so easy to use, but I definitely will be using these more for like special occasions, not just like to quickly, you know, stick something in the corner of a page to spice it up a little bit. So let me show you all of the variety on this first roll here. So starting with this little orange flower here, I'm just gonna go until we hit another one so that you can see all the different ones that we have. So there we go. We've got orange flower all the way till that one. So a good variety of flowers. Moving on to the medium-sized roll here. This one is full of like borders and wreaths and stuff like that, which is really pretty, especially if you are just giving a gift to someone. You can just stick this on, write their name in there, and it's just a really beautiful way to dress things up, or put it in your bullet journal with a little reminder or quote or just word in there. So they come in a variety of sizes, and again, this one doesn't have quite as many options. It goes from here, there's this large rectangle border, and then there we hit the large rectangle border again. But I will go ahead and peel one of those off for you guys to see. So that's what it looks like, and I know I have markers that write really nicely on top of washi tape. Not all markers do, but if you get the right ones, or if you have an X-Acto knife and you cut out the inner part, it'd be really nice to place a little word or name or something in there. And that brings us to the largest and final roll here, and this one is full of just round wreaths, which again are really, really beautiful. I love like the kind of muted colors that this one comes with, and again, I feel like the variety, like the amount of different options in this one is similar to the one that I just showed you with the different borders. You can see we've got like the edge of a blue flower over here, and we travel all along here until we hit that wreath again. So there's not a massive variety like there is with the PET tape, but there's still a good amount here. So after all that, I feel like my most used roll is probably going to be this one here with the washi tape flower stickers, where I got this one from. It's just so easy to peel off and stick, and since it is flowers, like flowers go with anything, so you can use these in pretty much any journal theme. However, I do really, really love the PET tapes, and my favorite roll of the PET tape I think might actually be the very first one that I opened. But I would love to hear from you guys in the comments which of these rolls is your favorite, and if you do end up buying some, don't forget to use my code, and let me know that in the comments too, which ones you actually decided to pull the trigger and buy.